Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hair replacement system is the best solution to recover your all bald area at the earliest. Please take initiative to contact us and replacement the all your falling hair with new hair attachment. Please look into this matter and bald area is covered with good hairs. American base hair unit. Fixing hard fixing. You can take bath and swimming and sleeping. Please look the result of American hair unit. The guy is very happy. Please do not hesitate to contact me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.